Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Planner Girl Meek, Meek's Journey here. I am doing my December monthly highlights. This is going to be a super quick video because I did a plan with me for each week. So you guys pretty much know how my weeks went. But I'm just putting this beautiful kit together. It's the December monthly. I know the matching weekly was called Merry Little Christmas and my brain is in a fog right now. I will be sure to link this kit down below. It is a beautiful kit that I am hoping someone uses for Christmas in July because the kit is just amazing. The sidebar that I used for this kit is actually the same sidebar that I use in my weekly kit. I just stretched it out a bit. I will make tweaks and changes to that closer to the end. But here I am just marking down that the kids were out of school for 2 weeks. Girl, they were out of school for 2 weeks. I mean, it was a lot. Now I'm marking down that I joined the Toyo Tress, which is a hair company. I joined their influencer team or PR team, however you want to call it. And here I am marking down that I got 500 subscribers on my Planner Girl Meek Instagram. Oh, you guys, you just don't know. That makes me so, so, so happy. And even right now to this day, we are inching closer to the 550 mark, which puts us closer to 600. My goal, I'm not going to say it. I don't want to jinx it. Yeah, I do not want to jinx that, but I do have a goal in mind for where I want to be mid-year, and then I have an end of the year goal, but I'm going to keep that to myself. Um, but here I am just adding some of the clip art. The clip art is from the weekly kit. That's why I always try to get you guys to, when you choose your monthly, try to get the matching weekly kit to go with it. I always pick one of my weekly kits and say, okay, I'm going to use one of these for a monthly so I can have the clip art because that's my style of planning my weekly. See, even here I'm going to my weekly and grabbing one of the planners that wasn't with the actual deco clip art that the artist made. I grabbed a planner that the shop owner, PlannerShack owner made for her kits, and I love the clip art that she does with all of her kits. It's just amazing. But yeah, I'm adding some of this beautiful deco. I really, really love it. Um, yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory, y'all. That train is really cute. We wanted to get my son a train this year, and then my husband was like, "Wait a minute, didn't we get him a train last year?" So we didn't get him one, but we did pull out his train this year. But here I am taking this flower deco clip art, whatever you want to call it, and I am layering it, reminiscent of my days when I used to plan and layer the stickers on top of each other because I learned that from Shantae plans and her layering. So Tay, I still be layering with my digital planning. But hey Shantae, if you're watching, um, I do take like little tweaks and ideas from each of the girls that I follow that do plan with me's, and um, that's why I love the planner community so much because we can borrow from each other's ideas and make our own ideas, and stuff is just put together beautifully. But I just added on the candles from I think that was the first day of Hanukkah, and I know one of the girls in the PR squad um, celebrates Hanukkah, and she was telling us all about it. And I watched a wonderful movie on the Hallmark Channel, and it was teaching about all the traditions of Hanukkah, and it's just really, really nice. I really, really love that. It was pretty cool. So I decided that I wanted to add that in to remember that I did learn a little about Hanukkah. And right now, I am adding me, my brother, and my cousins on my mom's side of the family, my mom and my auntie, all got on Facebook Messenger and had like a family group chat. We were on the phone for literally 3 hours. It was amazing talking to my cousins and catching up with them and my aunt. It was really, really cool. And you can add like a ton of people. I recommend y'all trying that. It just made the holidays that much better. And we all got up, we had set our phones up, we were like cooking, like, what you cooking? I'm cooking this. And I think I made bacon and eggs and pancakes for my kids, and we were all just making different things and just chatting about how things were when we were kids, and it was really cool. It just made the holidays that much better, and I really, really love it. um, we're actually supposed to get together on Sunday and talk again, so it's really cool. And here you see me, I'm looking at the kit finalizing, and I realize, oh no, this one has a glitch in it. My second border. So I went and sent a message to the shop owner, and I was like, help. And she was like, here you go. She was like, sometimes Silhouette does crazy things, which it does. But you guys, this is it. She sent me that file and I fixed that right away. Easy fix. And that's it. This is my December highlights. I hope you guys truly enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.